Hi, my name's Hayden. I'm from Reparadise. Got a little Q&A for you today. What tools should I pack in my van for traveling? So personally, when I'm traveling, off-roading, whatever, always have my toolkit with me. I've had this thing for like 10 years. It's never failed me. Jumper cables, huge. There's some great organizers such as this. This is like a little sprinter pack, everything you need for a sprinter. Metric, Torx, e-Torx, whatever. And these are great as well. You can have parts and bolts, and I got fuses in here and different connectors, just whatever you'd need to fix if you're on the road. One of the things we install here is the ARB compressor. We're actually in the middle of an install here on the Sprinter. This is a great tool. It's a very expensive tool, but fundamental. You can air up, air down. You have a truck or something with bags on it, you can air up, air down. It's really a great tool to carry with you when you're off-roading or traveling. Another thing with the ARB compressor, you can run air tools if you really needed to. We have these different quick connect points throughout the van, so you can grab wherever you need to. If you need to swap a spare tire and you want to make it a little quicker, you can totally bring an air wrench with you. And you can't beat how easily it integrates into the Sprinter here. Feel free to comment below, ask us whatever questions we could answer in the future for you.